Today we're diving into something really exciting, the role of special nutrients in human milk called 3SL and 6SL, and how they may unlock cognitive potential not just for infants, but possibly adults too. These compounds might sound complicated, but don't worry. I'm going to break them down in a simple, relatable way and show you why they could be one of the most important discoveries in brain health. What are 3SL and 6SL? Let's start simple. 3SL and 6SL are a type of human milk oligosaccharide, or HMO. They're made up of three sugar molecules: galactose, glucose, and sialic acid, the star of today's video. Now, these are called sialylated HMOs because they have sialic acid attached. That tiny addition is what gives them their unique health benefits. Even though 3SL and 6SL are almost identical, the difference is in where the sialic acid attaches. And believe it or not, that subtle difference actually changes how they work in our bodies. So why should you care about sialic acid? Because it's like rocket fuel for the developing brain. Sialic acid helps form gangliosides, special fats in the brain that protect neurons and make them communicate faster. It also drives synaptogenesis, the creation of new synapses, which are the connections between brain cells. These processes are the foundation of learning, memory, and reasoning. In fact, studies show that without enough sialic acid, neurons struggle to communicate effectively. And here's the kicker. Infants can't make enough sialic acid on their own because their organs are still immature. That's why breast milk, rich in HMOs like 3SL and 6SL, is so important for brain development. Piglet studies have shown that adding 3SL and 6SL to formula impacts brain development. For example, it boosted ganglioside levels in key brain regions and supported the growth of a healthier gut microbiome. That's important because the gut and brain are directly connected. Better microbes in the gut can mean better signaling and development in the brain. In babies, researchers found that exposure to 3SL at just 1 month old was linked to healthier brain white matter and gray matter, reduced inflammation in brain tissue, and even increased blood flow in areas linked to cognition. Translation: these HMOs are shaping the brain in ways we can actually see on an MRI. Another fascinating study showed that 3SL was linked to stronger early learning and language skills in toddlers. The older the kids got, the stronger the effect was. Other studies show sialylated HMO boosts memory-related genes and enrich beneficial gut bacteria, which makes sense since the gut microbiome is closely tied to cognitive health. Now, here's where it gets really exciting. The benefits of sialic acid may not stop at childhood. Since low ganglioside levels are linked to aging and diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, scientists are now studying how 3SL and 6SL could support adult cognitive health too. One study even found that a peptide mimicking 6SL helped protect brain cells from oxidative stress, which is huge when it comes to slowing neurodegeneration. So we might be looking at a future where sialylated HMOs aren't just for babies, but for supporting lifelong brain health. Here's the practical side. Unless you're breastfeeding or being breastfed, which I doubt if you're watching this, how do you actually get these HMOs? That's where Layer Origins comes in. They've developed supplements containing 3SL, 6SL, and other HMOs that mimic the exact compounds found in human milk, but they're made from safe, clean, animal-free, or dairy-based sources. Their products are designed to feed your beneficial gut bacteria, support digestion, and, as we just covered, potentially give your brain the exact building blocks it needs for learning, memory, and long-term cognitive resilience. To sum it up, 3SL and 6SL are unique HMOs in breast milk that deliver sialic acid, a critical nutrient for brain development. They support synapse formation, memory, language development, and even gut health. Research is pointing towards benefits not just for infants, but potentially for adults and aging populations. And with companies like Layer Origins, these powerful nutrients are now available in supplement form. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed health breakdowns made simple. I'll leave a link in the description where you can learn more about Layer Origins HMO supplements, including options with 3SL and 6SL. Your brain is your most powerful tool. Take care of it and it'll take care of you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.